Hi, do you want to add voiceover to your Sims characters like this?
Do you think we can't afford it to?
I don't know. It sounds like they left us out. We will take our bill and leave.
Oh, I didn't know you were still waiting on them.
I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it, and you don't even need a microphone. So if you don't have a microphone, do not worry. All you need is CapCut. Yeah, before we get into the video, I just want to let you know that I'm actually using the Pro feature of CapCut. You don't need this to voice over your Sims, but just noting that. Open CapCut and start a new project. Import your sim videos and edit it. After that, we can move on to adding the voiceover. Something to keep in mind when you are editing your videos would be how long you think the conversation is going to last between your sims. You don't want to cut the scene too short because that means you'd have to sort of like edit it over and over. So just have a brief idea. What I usually like to do is I have a script for what my sim may or is going to say, and if it's going to fit the time allotted. So bear that in mind when you're editing so that you know how to cut your scenes. With your video ready, next what we are going to do is actually add text, and the text is going to be the dialogue of what you want your sims to say. Basically, whatever your sim is going to say, you need to put it in a text first. Then we can convert the text to speech. Another tip from me is have all your scripted conversation on the side, and what you'll be doing in CapCut is just basically copy and pasting rather than having to type in here, because I don't know, just make life easy for yourself. When you have your text ready, now what we are going to do, which is the fun part, is convert your text to speech. To do that, you just go up there, you would see where it says text to speech. You just click on that and it would give you all the list of voices that you can use for your speech.
You think your mom would like lilies or roses?
Browse through, pick the one that fits your character. There are male voices, female voices, and so many others.
You think your mom would like lilies or roses?
Now, this is why I actually went pro, because I wanted to voice my Sims and I needed the variety of voices. So when you are on Pro, obviously you're going to get more characters unlocked that you can use. So that's that. But there are still so many free versions that you can use. So that is that. You can keep on adding your text and convert to voice, add your text and convert to speech. But what I usually do is I would add all my text so that I'll just move on to adding voices. I find that a bit more easy. So I'm going to add in all my text and show you my work process. Then we can listen to some of the voices available. I can't really tell which ones is pro and which one isn't, so I'll just play whichever, and you can decide for yourself. If you think this is something you want to explore and that would help you in your projects, you may want to consider getting the Pro as well. Okay, so now that I have finished and I have all my voice or my dialogue in text, I'm going to batch select my text and convert to speech rather than do it one after the other. So for each sim and whatever they say and their dialogue, I'll convert all that text and then do the conversion to speech. What I do is I select all the dialogue of the sim that I want to generate their text to speech. So you control select all their text, and then what you want to do is text to speech and select whichever character you want them to convert the text to. When you select the character, next what you want to do is just click on the generate to speech, and it will do that for all the selected text you have in the timeline. I'll do the same for any character that has more than one dialogue in my project. And the ones that only have one, obviously you can just do one. And I think this makes it quick working, okay? Another thing is you want to favorite your voices, because you may not find, like, it's so hard when sometimes you have to look for a voice that you use and you're like, where is it? Which one is it? You can write it down or you can favorite them. I have favorites, which I usually just go in there and pick, because sometimes you don't have the time to be listening. You just pick whichever one you've used before and that worked for you. I'll just let some of the voices play now, so you just have a fair idea on the options that you get. Like I mentioned earlier, I don't know which one is Pro and which ones are not. So.
And risk blending in with the actual flowers. No thanks.
And risk blending in with the actual flowers? No thanks.
And risk blending in with the actual flowers? No thanks.
And risk blending in with the actual flowers? No thanks.
And risk blending in with the actual flowers? No thanks.
I still think you should have gone with the lavender shirt.
I still think you should have gone with the lavender shirt.
I still think you should have gone with the lavender shirt.
The short clip I made while making this tutorial will be at the end of the video. Let me know if you found this video useful in the comment section. Also, if you use this feature and there's some tips you want to share, let me know in the comments. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!